What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this new addition job. We've been here for the past few days. I actually think the last video I made here might have been when we were moving the forms from the walls the day after we poured these walls. So you guys have not seen anything. My cousin is back from school, back to work with us. You guys might remember him from a few past videos. Has to get his camera time here. There's Rodrigo in the machine. Let's go say hi to Rodrigo. We got Guillermo back there. Habla cachiton. He's gonna spin the machine right at me. He thinks he's funny. Anyway, so moving on. Obviously, there's a lot of progress here. We have all of the gravel in, all of the plumbing in. It's all compacted plastic, wire mesh, foam insulation. You have 2 feet down along the wall, 2 feet across. We are just getting sand around the pipes and getting it all level. We have all of the plumbing done, except it's not pressurized yet. He is coming back later this afternoon to pressurize everything, but it's pretty much done. It's all tied in here. And then, oh, it's backfilled, but it's under here and it goes into the house right here. Also, we cut this wall out. We bought a cut and break, well, we didn't buy it, we rented a cut and break saw, which actually worked out really well to get this doorway open here. There is a staircase out of here up into the new addition here, and that'll get a little slab poured in there as well. So we're in pretty good shape here. Just getting foam down, wire mesh and rebar all around here. We do have a little bit of dirt left here that we have to get rid of, but right now I'm about to move this mason dump real quick, back my truck in here. I have to put our 2 compactors in the back of my truck, and then I'm running to our shop. I have to cut some rebar here. I'll show you real quick actually, because the inside was all dug. We are putting rebar, basically sitting it on top of the slab shelf, out 3 feet along the whole thing, every couple feet around the whole perimeter, just to help support the slab. The inside of it we didn't even touch. All we did was scrape the grass off of it and got rid of that. So the rebar will just give it a little bit of extra strength along the edges there. But I have this piece of metal here that I just spray painted on one of our mats. This is actually for sparrow's nest. We'll be doing this tomorrow morning, but let me throw that in my truck and then we'll move the mason dump back in there, get it loaded. Then we have to run to our shop and break all of the rebar for that. Alright guys, so we got them unloaded. The next thing we need to do is find our rebar cutter, and we have to pull out, let's see, I need 34 footers. I'm getting, these are 20, so I'm getting 5 out of a piece. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I need 6 pieces of rebar pulled out and cut into 4-foot sections.
Let's go.
Alright, so we got all of the rebar cut, just about 4 foot. Every piece looks pretty close, so we did an alright job with that. Got the tool put back in the box. I just need to put that away. Got our 2 compactors placed over here, and I have that piece of metal for sparrow's nest in the bed of my truck right up there. So that is going to be happening tomorrow. We are also working at my house tomorrow a little bit. We're bringing the mason dump up there so I can finish the topsoil in my, well, not in my driveway, but right next to my driveway where we dug it all up with the machine. It's just kind of dirt, and it's like, there's some concrete there, some old blacktop, a bunch of stuff like that. I got to clean up, get some fresh topsoil down. It's a little late to be doing this. It is May 23rd, so hopefully we'll grow some grass by the end of the season. But either way, that's happening tomorrow. We're going to Sparrow's Nest in the morning, and then we are also working at our Dutchess yard on our framing table. We're framing all of the walls for the job that I was at earlier today, which all this rebar is for. So a lot going on tomorrow, but that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.